Hi everyone and welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark and in this video we're going to be doing Jade some nice chrome pigment nails with love heart stickers. Right, so we've prepped these nails, dehydrated and primed them, and now we're going to fit the forms. So as always, pinch the end. We're going to do a coffin nail, so line up the middle. We're going to bring this in a little bit.
Your fingers have a bit of a shape on. It's that energy drink.
Max Adhesion and soft beige for the base. Maybe drop down that too much. Oh. Pop the first bead on, make the tip with that. Pull it down. Maybe the one edge, Jade. It's not too long for you, is it? You're getting used to these long nails now, aren't you?
Well, when I used to do my nails, I used to go like a 1.5.
Then after I've done that one, I like to do the cuticle bead and then build the nail up where necessary after that. Finger pointing down, let the product roll down. Now the apex is in place, you just need to fill in the gap. Tiny bit missing off the edge of this. Right, we're going to use a 240 grit file now to file these. File keeps slipping out my hand today, I don't know why. Can't get hold of it. Buff over these now with a buffing block, as usual. Turn them round and check from the client's view. I just like to always straighten them up from this angle anyway, even if they seem straight. Just gently. And then we're going to apply top coat, which we don't have.
Is that not top coat you just looked at? Yeah.
Is it?
This one here. The one you touched last.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm thinking basin, looking at top. We're going to use some pigment chrome powder, so we're going to pop some top coat on first to rub it into. Then we're going to rub in this amethyst chrome pigment powder. I just like to do this with my finger. I just think
it genuinely
it's
works
the
better.
easiest way to do things.
You sparkle for days after, like.
Yeah, and I don't mind that.
Can hear all the staff members leaving.
Off. And then we're going to use these gorgeous nail stickers. I love hearts. Jade will link them in the description, won't you, Jade?
I shall.
So I think we'll just mix the colours up of these. Give them a good rub.
Yeah, they're quite popular, these little heart ones.
Gorgeous, aren't they? I've knocked that one. Try again. It's getting them off the paper, isn't it? With that
very,
lacquer
very
in them.
thin.
It's a good cheat nail art, this. When you haven't got time to be doing all sorts of fancy stuff. And they look so good.
I think they'd be quite good for Valentine's Day.
I would, wouldn't I? I don't think there's any time you can't wear hats though.
Mm.
We'll top coat these again now to seal in the design and the chrome. I forgot to get forms off you as well. I need some forms.
Oh, why don't you take them ones for now?
Yeah, I can do. We'll finish these off with cherry cuticle oil again. Seems to be the popular one to do.
Still my favourite.
Yeah, it's nice, wasn't it? They all are. There you go. Hope you all enjoyed that video. If there's anything else you would like to see, please comment down below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
You've got a nail form stuck to your arm.
I wondered where that went. I thought I was losing it. I was thinking, where's that? I got one off.
I noticed that.
Oh my
I
gosh,
just saw it there. I was like, gosh, I wonder if she knows.
You're supposed to be my friend. You just left me there hanging with a nail form. And I'm going to make it more of a fashion thing now.
You'd have gone home with that on your arm.
Like I'm a nail tech.